Hello, my name is Rachel and I teach English here at Educo. Welcome to the Educo Kitchen. Today we will cook. We will cook and learn numbers of ordinance and practice cooking words. Go to our website to download the worksheets for this lesson. Are you ready? Great! Today we will bake chocolate chip cookies. Let's go! You will need 1 bowl, 1 spoon, a baking tray, and some baking paper. The ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Yum! A teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Some vanilla, 2 tablespoons of milk. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Great! Let's go! First, take your bowl. Second, add the flour. Third, add the sugar. Very sweet. Looks good. Fourth, add the baking powder. And a pinch, oops, don't spill. Add a pinch of salt. 6, add the chocolate chips. 7, add the vanilla. Smells delicious. 8th, take the milk. 9th, take the oil. 10th, stir it all together. Don't forget the milk and the oil. 11th, stir it all together. And make a ball. Make a ball from the cookie dough. Have you finished? Time to clean up. 12th, take your baking tray. Roll the dough into small balls and put them on the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chocolate chip cookies. 13th, use a fork to shape your cookie. Excellent. Put in the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 160 degrees. Looks delicious. Leave to cool and enjoy. Tastes great. Enjoy your cookies. We'll see you next time in the Educo Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.